Okay everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Simple Machines Forum. Now Simple Machines Forum is a forum software program. It's free, and if you're planning on installing it, I would recommend you do an automatic installation, because if you try to do a manual installation you could spend the day doing it incorrectly, or if you make a simple mistake you may not know about it right away, but maybe in a couple weeks from now, after you've done a ton of work and got some posts, well then you realize it and now you have to uninstall, start all over, and it's just a big headache. So rather than you screaming at your computer and your screen, I'm going to give you a tip here on how you can install it fast and easy to make sure it's done correctly. So let's get started. You're going to need a domain name, and if you don't have one you can search for the availability of one here. You're also going to need a hosting plan. Now over here at usavedomains.com, that's how it's spelled, with a U and then a save and domains. If you scroll down from our homepage you'll see the hosting plans we offer. Now I would recommend at least a Linux plan if you want to write that down, and I would probably recommend the deluxe plan because it's not too small, it's not too large, and there's room for growth. So forums can become very popular very fast depending upon the topic, so that's where I would go, and it gives you room to easily move up to the unlimited plan if you need to, with just basically calling us and saying, hey, can you up me on my hosting? So I'm going under the assumption that you have all these products, you've got it tied to your domain, the hosting's ready to go, so I'm going to log into my account to do the installation. The login's right there on our homepage. Over on the left side margin you'll see your products, and if you don't see them just click on My Products. You can click on Hosting. You'll see some stuff move around a little bit, but ultimately in the middle of your screen you'll see your hosting plan there, and on the right side of it over here click Launch to go into your hosting control center. Keep in mind if you have a pencil handy or a pen you might want to take some notes. Now here's your hosting control center. There's lots of features here, but I want you to focus on the right side margin right over here under Applications. This is where there's a lot of free software products that you can install now that you have your hosting plan. It comes with it. So I'm going to click on Simple Machines. I'm going to install now right here. I'm going to create a database name. Oh, actually I'm going to choose the domain I want it on. And if you look down here to the bottom right hand corner there's the next button. It's kind of hidden there. I'm going to type in my database description, which is already kind of there, but I'm going to type Simple Machines Forum 4 and then my domain, whatever the name is of your domain. If you have multiple domains you want to put the name of it. I'm going to create a database password. You want to write this information down and keep it somewhere safe. Now in this area, depending upon where you want to install it, this is what you want to focus on here, because a lot of people make mistakes. So if you want your Simple Machines Forum to install on your home page, so it's the first thing people see, you're going to want to leave that empty. So just backspace over it and get rid of it and click Next. But let's say you already have a website and you want to add a forum as like an extra to your website. You don't want it to be the first thing and the only thing about your website. Well, you'll create a directory for it. So you can call it Forum, or you can call it Travel, whatever you want. You can type it in and then that'll install it on that directory. But if you want it on the home page, just leave it empty and click Next. Now in this area you're going to create a username, and you want to write this down too and keep it somewhere safe with the previous information we did. You're going to want a different password. You're not going to want to use the one for your account. You want to keep it separate for security reasons. So you'll create a username, a password, your email, and the name of your forum, whether it's mortgages or whether it's travel or dogs, whatever it's going to be about, games, whatever. You're going to click Finish. You wait about 15 minutes, so you can walk away for a couple minutes, get a glass of water, come back, and it'll be installed. Now there will be an install login link, and you should be emailed that, but if you don't receive it or you have any questions, anything at all, you can give us a call. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We never close. And that's how you install Simple Machines Forum over at usavedomains.com. Now if you like the video, Please let other people know about it if it's been helpful to you, saved you some time. If there's a thumbs up button around the video you're watching right now, please give us a thumbs up. If you're a member of Facebook, if you could please like us, let some of your other friends on your Facebook fan page know, so that they're aware of what's out there. That would be really helpful to us. Thank you, and we'll be adding other videos on our homepage, so check back often, and we look forward to helping you and helping you grow your business. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.